check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Another request to all the school to please stop cheering before the gunshot, please. Do not cheer before the gunshot. Hello, check. As we can see, 10 miles and Western Northern has been leading the way. But things can change. Things can change.
Harni wih lah. Kayak gitu.
Taking home with pride, the gold medalists are none other than the fastest runner from Sipsing Memorial Government High Secondary School with a running timing of 2:25.16 seconds. Come on, give them a round of applause for all the runners. They are the faster and the fastest runner in the Medley Relay Boys under 16. Taking home with them with pride on their certificates which will carry for a lifetime, and the medals showing that team spirit matters in a relay. Thank you, sir, and to all the winners. Moving on to the 4x400 relay girls under 18. In the third place we have from Maurang Secondary School, Ramrai. The runners are Felicity Rangan, Shimtiwan Sen, Vanisha Langkoi, and Kesia Nongpo. The running timing is 5:58.41 seconds. In the second place, we have the runners from Joel Gatford Medals. You know, Thai Secondary School, Wantaiwan Rangan, Bosco High Secondary School, Nongkrot, Stephanie Soshan, Kibapuntigan Nongkot, Dayahun Langkarbani, and Quilin Davis Nongsi, with the running timing of 5.66 seconds. We congratulate to all the winners, and they'll be taking home with a lifetime of certificates and medals. Medley Presbyterian School.
Congratulations, you are the champion team for the under 14 boys.
Okay, moving on to the runners-up. In the under 14 boys, we have the Roman Government RMSA High Secondary School and the khasi Free Morning Secondary School. These are the runners-up for the under 14 boys. And we request our guest of honor, sir, to please do the honor, handing over the prizes to them. Roman Government School and khasi, please run over for your prizes. To give him the trophies, and we have the guest of honor. Now give them a round of applause. Our dear students, give them a round of applause. Come on, St. John Bosco High Secondary School. Give them a round of applause. Thank you, sir. Now moving on to the under 14 girls, we have St. John Bosco High Secondary School, Ramraj. And to do the honor, I request our chief guest to please hand over the trophy to the champion team. And the runners-up of the under 14 girls is the Nongkrot Presbyterian Secondary School. The runners-up for the under 14 girls, we have the Nongkrot Presbyterian Secondary School. Please run over for your trophy. The champion team is the St. John Bosco High Secondary School, Ramrai, and the runners-up is Nongkrot Presbyterian Secondary School.
St. John Ramrai, apa mare? Mare sih, kami boleh lagi. Sedikit kita. Alright, let's give them a big round of applause. champion of the under-14 girls, St. John Bosco, Nombro. Where is St. John Bosco, Nombro? Ramrai. St. John Bosco, Ramrai. Why are you taking so long? We cannot understand. Secondary and sub-segmental higher.
Champion team in the under 18 boys, we have none other than the Sipsing Medley Government High Secondary School. Now please run quickly. The runners-up will be under 18 boys is the St. Peter's High Secondary School, and the champion team in the under 18 boys is the Sipsing Government Medley School. Runners up is St. Peter's High Secondary School, and the champion team of the under 18 boys is Sipsing Medley Government High Secondary School. And to do the honor, may I request again our guest of honor to please hand over the trophy to the runners up and to the champion team. Come on, St. Peter, Sipsing, cheer for your home team. I'll give them a round of applause. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
And now, the overall champion team. The school that performed in every direction, the school that performed better than all other schools, or the best school for 2026. The overall champion, it goes to